Once upon a time, in a quaint countryside, stood an old abandoned house. Its weathered walls and broken windows whispered tales of a forgotten past. People in the nearby village believed the house was cursed, avoiding it at all costs. Yet a curious young girl named Lily saw beauty in the neglected structure and sought to uncover its hidden lessons. With her adventurous spirit, Lily ventured into the abandoned house, disregarding the warnings of others. As she explored the dusty rooms and creaking corridors, she sensed a profound presence, a lingering energy that held stories untold. Amidst her exploration, Lily stumbled upon an old journal left behind by the previous occupants of the house. Its pages were filled with faded ink, revealing the joys and sorrows experienced within those very walls. Through the heartfelt words, she discovered a tale of love and loss, of dreams that bloomed and dreams that withered away. In one entry, a young couple expressed their deep affection for each other and their dreams of turning the abandoned house into a warm and loving home. They spoke of creating a sanctuary where laughter would echo through the halls and love would overflow in every corner. However, as the pages turned, Lily came across a heart-wrenching passage that described the tragic loss of their beloved child. Grief consumed their once vibrant spirits, and the dream of a happy home faded into the shadows. As Lily closed the journal, tears welled in her eyes. In that moment, she understood the profound lesson hidden within the abandoned house. It was not cursed. It was a symbol of resilience and the fragility of dreams. It reminded her that life could present unexpected challenges, shattering our hopes and leaving us feeling abandoned. But just as the abandoned house stood resilient, it taught Lily that even amidst broken dreams, there is an opportunity for rebirth. She realized that the house stood as a testament to the power of healing, transformation, and finding beauty in the midst of ruins. Lily left the abandoned house with a renewed perspective. She vowed to carry the lessons she learned, embracing life's imperfections and cherishing the dreams that were still within her reach. The forgotten house became a symbol of hope, reminding her that even in the face of adversity, one could rebuild their life, finding solace and creating new dreams. Word of Lily's transformative journey spread throughout the village, inspiring others to look beyond appearances and see the potential for growth and renewal in their own lives. The abandoned house stood not as a curse, but as a beacon of hope, encouraging all who encountered its story to embrace resilience, heal from past wounds, and create a brighter future. And so, the village became a place of renewed dreams, where the abandoned house stood as a testament to the power of perseverance and the boundless strength that lies within every human heart.